Welcome to this explainer. Okay, right now, some of the absolute top-tier AI video generation models on the planet are sitting wide open, and surprisingly, they are completely free to use. But, if history has taught us anything at all about groundbreaking tech, it's that the clock is ticking before a massive paywall drops. So today, we're exploring global.shot.ai, and we're going to dive into what is essentially a free playground for high-end AI video creation, well, while it lasts anyway.
Okay, let's map out exactly what we're covering today. First, we'll look at the free AI gold rush. Then we'll get into animating your existing images. After that, generating from scratch. Fourth on the list is the built-in CapCut alternative. And finally, we'll wrap up with mastering the credit economy.
All right, let's jump straight into Section 1, the free AI gold rush, and how you can access these top models before the paywall hits.
Now, when new platforms launch, they occasionally offer generous access just to build a user base, right? But seriously, look at what's under the hood here. You aren't just getting one proprietary AI. You get Grok Video 3, Google Veo 3, Cdance 2.0, Banana Pro, Gemini Omi, and Kelling. Having all of these industry-leading premium models consolidated into a single free workspace, that is honestly unheard of. Getting started is super straightforward. Just search for global.shot.ai, hit login or sign up, and authenticate with your Google account. From there, you just click Workspace, hit Start Creating, give your new project a name, and boom, you are dropped right into the main generation interface.
Moving right along to Section 2, animating your existing images, or basically bringing your static pictures to life.
Let's say you've already generated an amazing image using a tool like, say, Google Image FX, and you want to make it move. Now, when you land on the canvas, it might look a tiny bit intimidating at first because it uses what's called a node-based interface. But don't let that scare you. It's simply a visual workspace where you connect different actions with literal lines. Think of it like a giant puzzle. You're really just connecting the dots. Here are the actual physical steps to get that image moving. You hover over the reference image icon and drag a line from it. When you release your mouse, select Upload Asset and pick your picture. Next, click the Video Creation box that pops up, and simply type out your animation prompt. It's actually incredibly satisfying. You are literally drawing a connection from your static image straight into the AI engine.
All right, Section 3, generating from scratch. This is for when you want to use the platform's built-in image engines.
So what if you don't have any outside assets? No problem at all. You can build everything right here. To generate a fresh image, just drag a line out, select Image Nodes, and then Image Generation. You'll pick a specific AI model. Banana Pro is fantastic for this, by the way. Type out your prompt and set your desired aspect ratio, like 16:9 for YouTube, before hitting Generate. But okay, here is an absolutely crucial realization. While the platform is free, your settings are essentially your virtual wallet. A 2K resolution image costs 3 credits, but if you bump that up to 4K, the cost jumps to 5 credits. Tweaking these resolution settings directly impacts exactly how much you can create in a single day, so you've really got to choose wisely. Once your image is ready to go, turning it into a video is an absolute breeze. You just click the newly generated image node, add a video generation node, select your animation model, like Grok 3, set your duration, and hit Generate. And the wait times? They are surprisingly fast. A 10-second video takes only about a minute and a half to render, completely within your browser.
That brings us to Section 4, the built-in CapCut alternative, where you can do all your editing without ever leaving the browser.
So you've generated all these high-quality clips. What happens next? Well, the platform actually has a built-in assembly feature that directly rivals dedicated editing software. You have the Creative Canvas, which is that node workspace we talked about, where your media is born. But right at the top, you have a tab called Edit Previews. This is a traditional timeline editing interface. If you've ever used CapCut, you're going to feel right at home arranging, cutting, and transitioning your clips seamlessly. The editing workflow here is lightning fast. You open the Edit Previews tab, import those raw assets you just created, drag them straight down to the timeline to make your cuts, and then click Export when you're done. That's the whole shebang. No bulky software downloads, no jumping between apps. The entire sequence is pieced together right there on the site.
Now, I do need to point out one slight, kind of quirky thing about the user interface. After you click Export, you hit what they call a final review. It's basically a mandatory checkpoint where you have to manually approve the finalized edit before the system actually hands over the video file. It does take a little extra time, so honestly, just grab a coffee, be patient, hit approve when it pops up, and then you can finally download your finished product.
Okay, let's dive into the final and maybe most important part of this explainer. Section 5.
mastering the credit economy, and how to mathematically maximize your free daily generations.
If you want to use this tool for free, you absolutely must understand the math here. The very moment you create a brand new account, the platform instantly gives you 120 starting credits. Right off the bat, you are handed a massive runway to just start experimenting.
And, actually, it gets better. You receive an additional 30 credits every single day simply by logging in. No way, right? You don't have to jump through any hoops. Literally, just open the site, log in, and claim a fresh daily top-up to keep on creating.
Now, what completely surprised me is the radical difference in cost between these AI models. Look at this. Grok Video 3 costs exactly 1 credit per second, so a 10-second video is 10 credits. But contrast that with Google Veo 3.1, which demands a massive premium. An 8-second video with Veo eats up 20 credits, so Grok 3 very quickly emerges as the ultimate budget-friendly powerhouse.
To put that into perspective, how far do those daily credits actually stretch? Well, if Grok 3 is 10 credits for 10 seconds and Banana Pro is 5 credits for a gorgeous 4K image, you can get incredibly strategic. With your 30 daily credits, you could comfortably generate about 5 separate 6-second video clips every single day, completely for free, simply by prioritizing Grok as your main engine.
Which brings us to one massive, lingering question. How long will global.shot.ai actually remain a 100% free playground? History proves that these high-fidelity tools inevitably transition to paid subscriptions once they build up a massive user base. The quality here is simply too high to stay free forever. The time to experiment, master those nodes, and really harness this technology is right now. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. Now get out there and